Hey, no, you gotta come with me.
Yeah, I'll come.
You guys, I found something super cool. They come down here with me. Hey, you look in those holes. What's in those holes? Oh, crab.
Oh wow, hermit crabs in there. I see him. He big. Yeah. Want me to see if I can get him out?
No.
Yeah, I stick a stick in there.
No, baby. Leave me alone.
Wow. Yeah. Another beautiful morning. We're finna head to the Pelican, me and Bay. But that's their little park, y'all. Nice. That's when you realize you're on the island. When you look at it, like, wait, that's the ocean. It's container ships down there. Wow, he riding wild with her on that bike. I done saw some wild stuff out here, y'all. I done saw infants in front seats. Yes, y'all heard of that. Was the Margaritaville. Now last month when I was on YouTube, it was still open. Now it's June, close to the 24th of my birthday Monday, y'all. But anyway, y'all look, Margaritaville is officially closed, man. I rode past it, so y'all probably see it on the video, but yeah, it's closed. It's that hurricane really messed up a lot of things. But we just scrolling in the free park to see the view.
Morning.
That's the ocean, y'all. That's crazy. We on the island. That's beautiful. Mountains go way back there. This is where we're going to eat, y'all. The Pelican. Baby. We're going to eat.
I saw a normal Jamaican thing.
Beautiful
The
fish
person
tank.
around there. She's a little 3-year-old girl come from Wilbur. And she's married to small. And she's with her mother and granddad. You know, well up there. And she got her phone and she on her laptop. She comes to the clinic with her arm problem. And look what she's got.
Thanks. See the waterfalls, man? Better look at the waterfalls. Natural waterfall, y'all. Y'all see how they be breaking it down in Jamaican dollars? So it came to like $12,931, but in the US that's like 92. Ooh, Euro, they doing pretty decent. But boy, that English pound, I wish I was paying in that. They go to show you that their money is worth more than American money right now. Biden, you gotta tighten up. Let's get together and feel alright.
I just got to see like I dream. Yeah, all I can make up was I look
Grey Goose. 6,000 for the little. They got Grey Goose. Watermelon basil. I ain't never seen watermelon basil. White peach rosemary. 11,000.
Where your mom's in here, I think. Oh, he calling another man's name. I mean, Mike.
Whole family eating at the Pelican. Gonna be good.
So y'all was like spicy.
Man, these oxtails here. Ooh.
Yeah.
This the real deal right here. Real deal.
Just tell.
She got some pigtails, y'all. Auntie got the brown stew chicken.
She got jerk.
Cause I was about to jump in.